Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel training series. Till now we have learned the basics of the Excel, how to use operators, formulas and then the cell referencing. But before we start like learning of applying filters, pivots or maybe formulas, it's very important to first understand the data that we are working with. So in this module, we will take one real world dataset example, that's the Amazon order data. Now let's look at what this file contains. Now this Excel file has one sheet is the order transactional data. It contains every transaction that happens from orders to shipment to returns if any has happened. Now let's understand the flow of orders to returns in this scenario. Now let's understand the order process. Let's say you are placing the order at Amazon. Then an order ID gets generated. Hence a shipment ID gets generated and that particular shipment ID gets allocated to a warehouse and that warehouse ship your product to your home. And in case of you feel like you want to return, you return it, right? Let's understand one of the order. So to select one of the order, how we can filter that. So in the data menu, this is the home menu, this is the data menu. Here basically you'll have the option of filter. There is the other way around, you can apply the filter. That's Control Shift and L. You press all these three keys in the same time. So let's say we are selecting this button and the filters got applied. Now let's say I want to filter this particular order. I'll just select this order or maybe just randomly click on it and then right click and say copy. I'll open this filter. I'll go to text filter and then equals. I'll paste this order by Control V and say OK. Now my order got selected. I'll press the escape key to hide the selection. Now this is the order. Now you may can see somewhere here this particular line item. I cannot able to see the entire thing. Okay, or maybe display price is not completely visible. Now I can do this through this icon. As soon as I take my mouse here, I can see this icon. I'll double click. And this is autofit that we have already seen in the previous videos. I'll put the link of that video in the description section. So let's say I want to autofit all the columns here. I'll just select here in the center and say anywhere in the column with this icon, say double click. And that's how everything, all the columns got autofit. Yeah, you can see. Cool. Now let's see, this is what the order. In this order, this got shipped on a 27th as well as 10th of October. Why there are two dates? Let's go next and see. Oh, there's a shipment happened and then there is return also happened. Let's filter only shipment. So this particular order, this is the shipment ID, got shipped on 27th of January with this two ASINs. And these are the SKU codes. Let's go on the right hand side with the quantity of 1 each. Display price was 58 rupees and then 63 rupees respectively. Let's go next. The total tax collected by Amazon. The country it placed in, the state it placed in, and the city it placed in. This is what the postal code it has defined. It has mentioned the ship to city name also. Location code, tax location code, and then the tax types and so on. This is how you can go and filter the set of columns, the respective values, and then understand it. Yeah, so this is how you have already understood the data set. Now let's understand how you can remove the filters. So you can just simply go to the data and just click on the filter. The entire filter will be removed.